Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello guys, my name is Sydwell Maake, founder and CEO of Tinya Sportswear. The business was founded in 2017 and then we begin doing our merchandise in 2020. 2021 is when we were formally registered. We are based in Everton, Beverly Hills. The reason why I started the business is back then in 2017 there were few sports brand, but not local. So I had to be a problem solver and rush through that hole so that I could seal the void. Okay, we manufacture and customize sports apparel, and we also work with, we customize for corporate, schools and universities. And our products are available nationwide through courier services. The reason why you guys must choose this product is because 90% of the material are made in the Southern African. So yeah, I would think it's more best that we could support one of our own. My contact details for calls and WhatsApp is 067-243-8656. And then on Facebook, it's Tinya Sportswear. Also on Instagram is Tinya Sportswear. And then TikTok is Tinya Sportswear 1. Hi, my name is Sydwell Maake, founder of Tinya Sportswear, and I'm a Township entrepreneur.